What is up with chronic cough in horses? You know, not the occasional cough, but the chronic cough that you're kind of worried might turn into asthma. Listen guys, if it's a chronic cough, kind of an asthma cough, then there is a solution. Hi, I'm Dr. Renee Tucker, holistic equine veterinarian for over 30 years. Let me tell you the skinny. Listen, there's amalgamated toxin. It's a bunch of toxins that get squished together and they're stuck in the lungs. Too difficult, too heavy for the horse to get all the way out of the lungs. And so they need some help with that. Traditional treatments are fine, but they're not going to get rid of that toxin. So I do have the longer explanation and what you can do about that linked in the video below, but that chronic cough can be gone.